Hey guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can, customize your desktop as you read on the title. So if you're anything like me, then this is probably what your desktop looks like. It's pretty messy, right? There's like a ton of items all over the place, and you're just too lazy to like remove it or just keep it somewhere else. And you can't work properly when your desktop is so messy. So you just want to find out a way to clean it up and just make it look pretty. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do in this video. And I have not done this before for the purposes of this video. Like, I'm doing it right now in front of you so that you can see what I'm thinking of, and you can see my mindset, basically like how I think when it comes to customizing my laptop. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, we need to find a good wallpaper. So I already did some of this stuff, like I just looked through some of this beforehand. So just look for anything that you're interested in. Like for example, I love Valorant, okay, it's a great game. So I just searched for Valorant wallpapers, and there's some pretty nice options over here, but I ended up going with this one. And I have this card actually, it's pretty cool. So yeah, I love the look of this wallpaper, so I'm just going to download it, and I now have this image. So if you're on Windows 11, then I mean just have this set as background button. It's quite convenient. They know that you would also download an image and you wanted to set it as your background, so it's just that button's there. Okay, so now that you've got your epic wallpaper on your screen, it's time to this clutter just isn't sightly. Okay, so if you want, you can just organize it somehow. Like, you can just right click and click on sort by and choose whatever you want, and that will just move it here. But I don't want any icons on my desktop, okay, because I just want it to look clean and minimalistic. So I'm just going to go to view and click on and basically disable this show desktop icons. Okay, um excuse me, I have a bit of a cold. So now all of the icons are gone, and it already looks a little bit better, right? So the next thing you want to do, like, it's kind of looking a little bit empty, right? So the next thing you want to do is install something called Rainmeter. So Rainmeter is basically a free and open source software that allows you to put widgets on your desktop home screen. Like, you know how the widgets on Android are, right? It's similar to that. It allows you to put widgets, which they call skins, on your home screen and on your desktop, so it looks aesthetic. Thing about this is that it's free and open source. So what open source means is that the code of the entire program is uploaded on GitHub, where you yourself can just go on the internet, just look at the files and see what's going on. So that means that it's much more safer because all the code is uploaded on the internet. And there's many people at the same time scanning, looking through the code to make sure that there isn't anything sus going on. So yeah, let's go ahead and download Rainmeter. So I'm just going to search Rainmeter over here, and then you have this result. Open it, and then over here just click on download and run a quick antivirus scan to show you that nothing fishy is going on. So yeah, as you can see, Norton Security found no threats, and it is a great antivirus, by the way. You can look it up. So I'm just going to go ahead, press enter, and open this. So you have the Rainmeter setup wizard now, so just click on OK. Just click on standard installation, and then just click on install. Now just press run Rainmeter, and you have Rainmeter running now. So I'm just going to exit to the desktop, and then just click on unload skin, unload skin, unload skin, unload skin. So now you need some skins, right, to add to this desktop. So I'm just going to go over here, and I'm going to search for a Rainmeter skin called Mond. So I'm just going to click here and then just press download over here. And yeah, as you can see, it's completely safe. So I'm just going to go ahead, double click on it and open it, and it will just say install. So I'm just going to unload the settings skin for now, and I'm going to just take this, and you can just move the scroll wheel up and down to adjust the size of this. So I want it to be about that much, and then just click and drag to reposition it. And this is the recycle bin, so I'm just going to unload this skin as well because I don't really need it. Oh, and by the way, in case you need to change any settings on this, you can just right click and go to Mond, and then choose settings.ini, and it will open up this settings page where you can change a lot of the settings, and it looks pretty cool right now. You know what would be cooler if we had a music visualizer as well. Like those things basically, if you're playing any music on your screen, it just shows you all the bars going up and down and stuff like that. So I'm just going to install one of them too, because I think that will look sick on this setup. The one that I want to use is called Monstercat, and that is also a very popular one that you see on a lot of Rainmeter setups. So Monstercat visualizer. So I'm just gonna click on this one, press download over here, then just run it again, click on install. Alright, so then I'll just drag this to the center and then just click on setup. Okay, so this visualizer is a little big, so in the settings here I'm just going to reduce the scale a little bit, and then you can also check this hide skin when media player is not running. It's pretty useful, but I'm just going to enable this for now because we need to position it and all. And then over here, in case you want, you can also adjust the sensitivity of this visualizer, and then you can also find some more skins on DeviantArt. So one last thing before I end the video, you can just go to the store, like the Microsoft store, and then there's an app called Translucent TV that basically allows you to turn your taskbar transparent. I'm just going to install that real quick and show you. It gives quite a cool look, if I do say so myself.
So beautiful, so elegant, so beautiful.
It's JS Style Vlog.
So elegant, just looking like a wow, wow, just looking like a wow, 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 just looking like a wow, 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 just looking like a wow, wow, wow.
And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
So elegant, just looking like a wow, wow, just looking like a wow, 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 just looking like a wow, 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 just looking like a wow, 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 wow.